question, I like it. I think I'm a fan. Second off, it's interesting as somebody who is kind of a C sharp and a TypeScript person. If you're in C sharp, you know that like everything's object oriented, right? Everything has to be part of a class. That's just how it is. You can do some functional stuff, but still, at its core, C sharp is an object oriented language. Then you have TypeScript, which is kind of like, it's JavaScript. So it's like, fuck it, you can do whatever you want, right? You can object oriented, functional code, whatever. And Go seems to sit somewhere like in the middle of that spectrum where you can't really do object oriented in the classical sense of it because they don't have inheritance or class based stuff. But you can sort of do object oriented in the sense that you can have structs and you can treat those structs as pointers, or you can have pointers to those structs, and then you can have methods that are able to mutate private state in the struct. So you can sort of do some amount of encapsulation in Go, and yet Go also feels like it was never intended to be used that way, right? So it's kind of this. It's an interesting. So far, my take on it is an interesting language that sort of is very heavily skewed towards functional programming, but has some tools and things in it that allow you to do some object oriented things, which is interesting.